For 30 days straight, I forced myself to follow a billionaire morning routine. No snoozing, cold showers, meditating for 30 minutes, no phone, 1 hour of reading, and what happened next actually scared me. By day 12, I made $500 before breakfast. By day 30, I made $25,000, doubled my productivity, and completely rewired my brain. But it didn't start like that. It started with me losing badly. Before this challenge, my life looked like a slow death. I'd wake up late, hit snooze like my life depended on it, drag myself to a job I hated, and spend every night scrolling until my brain felt numb. I wasn't broke because of the economy. I wasn't stuck because of my boss. I was stuck because I was addicted to comfort. No direction, no discipline, no momentum. And the worst part? I kept telling myself, tomorrow I'll change. Tomorrow never came, until this challenge. I wanted to test something crazy. What would happen if I lived like a billionaire for 30 days? Not the cars, not the mansions. The discipline. Here's the exact routine I committed to. Wake up 5 a.m., no snooze. Cold shower, immediately. 30 minutes meditation, no excuses. No phone for the first hour, non-negotiable. Workout before breakfast, body first. Read 1 hour every day, mind second. Simple? Yes. Easy? Hell no. But I promised myself 30 days, zero cheating. Day 1 felt like someone unplugged me from the matrix with a slap. My body hated me. I stood in front of that cold shower for 45 seconds, arguing with myself. I lost. The shower won. Day 3, the wall hit me. Hard. My body was exhausted. My mind was screaming to quit. This was the first time I realized why most people stay stuck. Comfort is a drug, and most of us are addicts. By day 7, something unexpected happened. I started waking up before the alarm. My brain felt clearer. My mornings felt longer. I wasn't winning yet, but I wasn't losing anymore. Day 12 changed everything. During my phone-free hour, I finally worked on a side project I'd been avoiding for months. That morning, I made $500. Not because I got lucky, but because I finally had focus. On day 15, it hit me. Discipline creates freedom. I was getting more done by 9 a.m. than I used to do in an entire day. By day 20, I stopped waiting to feel motivated. I finally understood billionaires. They don't rely on motivation. They rely on systems. I realized that poor people chase comfort. Rich people chase discipline. On day 30, I didn't even recognize myself. My mornings were sharp. My mind was clear. My life had structure for the first time. In 30 days, I made $25,000, more than I made in the last 3 months of trying. My productivity jumped 76% because discipline gives you hours back every single day. My energy went from dragging myself out of bed to waking up excited. Even my relationships improved. When you're disciplined, you're calmer. You listen more. You're less reactive. People feel that. Here's the part most people won't like. Most people aren't broke because of lack of opportunity. They're broke because they can't control themselves. Comfort is the real poverty. You have the same 24 hours as Bezos. The question is, what are you doing with yours? Look, don't try all the habits, try one. Just for 7 days. Comment below which one you'll start with. I'm replying to every single comment. Subscribe and share because you might not find us again. Your life won't change someday. It changes the day you choose discipline over comfort.